In this case study, we'll be discussing a patient who presented with a rather challenging condition. The patient is a 3-year-old girl who developed eczema on her scalp. There was a vesicular eruption from which a yellow sticky discharge oozed and glued her hair together. The eruptions eventually covered her entire head with thick, moist crusts. Initially, graphites was tried, followed by mesothelium in 30 potency, but unfortunately, neither provided any benefit. As a month passed without any improvement, the family's allopathic physician advised cutting her hair and applying some ointment. At this stage, the mother of the girl informed that the girl was having leucorrhoea as well. On the basis of this information, homeopathic remedy, SEPIA, 200 potency, 1 dose was given. That night, the discharge started drying up. In 1 week, the scales peeled off and the eczema was completely cured. It is now over 30 years and the girl has never suffered from eczema or any other skin disease again. Result, SEPIA 200. Combining the two symptoms, viz. Moist eruptions on the head and leucorrhoea in little girls, I arrived at SEPIA, and what a beautiful result it was.